We are going on a staycation. Woohoo! Here we go. So staycation, here we come. We're going to the Hilton Ras Al Khaimah. It looks absolutely fantastic. I'll post some pictures now. You can have a look at it. So, while we're driving down, love, I'm going to ask you a question. What are you looking forward to the most?
Sunbathing and a lion.
Sunbathing?
Yeah,
This
and a lion.
camera's got a mind of its own. I
I've not had a lion in months.
can't get it to go on you. You've not had
What a surprise! Is it going on you?
yeah, it just seems to be stuck on me. I don't know why. Ras Al Khaimah. So what else are you looking forward to, love?
Sex.
Oh, is someone going to meet us? What else are you looking forward to? What about the breakfast?
I'm not really bothered about the food. I'm just bothered about having a break. Oh, just having a nice break.
Hello. Start having a younger.
Yeah, but not sweet.
Oh, that's my wristband. Here we go. The lucky winning ticket. Ta-da! Here it goes in the front. Look at that. This is the door. So when you walk in, this is the first thing you see when you come through the door. You go into this corridor, and then the first thing here on you is the bathroom. Yeah, normal stuff. And then there's obviously the bath, which has this sort of viewing deck over into the main bedroom, which is pretty cool. So that's the bathroom. And when you come through here, this is the living room. So you have the wonderful Christmas tree provided by Michelle. Fantastic. Big television. You got some free champagne, some nibbles, some fruit. So this is the living room with a dining table. And then out here, it also has this separate sunbathing area. I'm going to look out with a view over a view out. Just go back inside, back into the living room. Then you go into, this is bedroom number 1. So down, past, and this is the master bedroom with a view into the bathroom where I was before. This is bedroom number 2. Another television. And then with another separate balcony again with a view out over the sea view. Dear Mr. and Mrs. Jolly, welcome to the Hilton Ras Beach Resort. Your friend Michelle let us know that you missed spending Christmas together, so we have placed a tree in your room to try and recreate the atmosphere. Have a fantastic stay, Arthur. Do you like pina coladas? I don't know the rest of it. Oh, that's nice.
What are you looking forward to do tomorrow?
Spa, breakfast. Breakfast first.
Yeah, I was thinking do a spa in the morning, then you can relax all day.
Breakfast, spa, or
Yeah, spa about say 11 o'clock.
yeah. Or do we have it before 10? Is everything free at 10 o'clock?
What's free at 10 o'clock?
Only kicks in at 10.
You need a secret.
Did you get spa on that?
No.
Oh, I mean, what do you get for free? What do you mean then?
Drinks.
Saturday.
What are you going to be doing most of all weekend? So we're in an Italian restaurant, but we don't know what it's called. But it's got one of these where you can see the chef cooking the food. Oh my god, that's the starter.
It looks really nice though.
It does look nice.
Oh, there you go. It's a cheesy base.
Ta-da! Because otherwise, if you try and start, it just ends up.
Bill's eating a piece of a knife on floor.
What's wrong with that?
Don't eat a piece of a knife on floor.
You do when you come from Prestwich.
Shut up. Oh my god, we should only got one chips.
So last night we went down. We had a meal in the Italian place. That was absolutely stunning. Then from there we went to the bar, which had a pool table. Met a load of lads from Newcastle, which was good fun. They were all right, nice lads. And then they ended up playing pool. And then we came back to the room a bit later than we normally would. It was about 2 o'clock in the morning. And now we're just going down for some breakfast. This is the key.
I need a brew.
Breakfast time.
So, when you finish your breakfast, why don't we go to the spa so you can book your hot stone massage? And a poach.
Oh, that looks nice. I'll have some mushrooms as well. You enjoy your breakfast, love?
So,
Be nice.
yeah, I need a nana nap now.
So the plan now is to go and see what spa options are available. So we're probably going to do a double, so that's 2 of us together. And we're going to have the hot stones, I think. I'm quite looking forward to that. That's going to be pretty smart. Hot stones. So say something.
No, you didn't pay Diva.
So now we're going to go and have a look at the massage, see what time we can get checked in there. Oh, hot stones. Hot stones. There we go. Spa. Okay. You know. That was so funny. So Claire just asked the guy, is there some music on today? He said, yeah, in the meeting room. So then Claire said, what's that? And he went, it's a place where people gather and meet.
He did not say that. He didn't say that.
Dun, 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 dun.
I thought he was going. Which one is the car?
It's just over there.
I was like, that looks like a... That's like a... Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Have a lovely time, dear.
Thank you.
Hello, hello. Here we go. Yeah, very good. You're good?
Very good.
Oh,
I'm happy for today.
can we do like a dual session?
Yeah, like a
You don't
full
mind?
massage.
This is a video camera.
Yeah, sure,
That's
sir.
okay.
It's okay.
Oh,
It's
So-
our price list. We have a
So I was thinking about hot stones times 2.
for 2. Would you like to try our Himalayan? This is our one of the healing treatment here. This is our signature treatment, the Himalayan warm stone massage.
Okay.
Like we have a different sheet for the stone. We are using the normal black stone for this one, and this one we are using the Himalayan salt stone.
oh no, can you not take us to the pool bar?
Oh, can we go to the pool bar? Yeah, yeah. Doesn't it hurt? Good idea. So we've just had the spa, the massage treatment, and the Himalayan hot stones. It was absolutely lovely. Put the hot stones on your back. They're a bit warm, weren't they?
It was very hot, yeah.
And then they put them in the hands, and then they massage you with the stones in the hands, so you feel like they're hot. Feels like the hands are roasting while they're massaging you.
Yeah, she did that as well.
It was absolutely. Oh, I feel like we're just gonna go now to the swim up bar. That's no fun.
Gone very fast. That means we've had a good time.
Then we've sat on the beach, watched the sunset. That was awesome. Now we're just going to go back to the room, grab a quick shower, and the intention is to come back down. We've got an Italian restaurant. We'll have a look at what the restaurants are in here, and then probably head into the bar to see the Crankies.
Cute. It's a little dancing girl. Oh.
Hello, hello. Hello, how are you?
Hey, what's
Picanha. Picanha is a top part of sirloin. It's a famous meat from Brazil. It's like famous cut in the Brazil.
what weight is it? What? How much?
It would be like the gram, 220 gram.
Right, 220 grams.
Yes.
Bye bye, Miss American Pie. This is it, the end of the stay. We've had an absolutely fantastic time. We're world famous in the bar downstairs. And it's time to say goodbye to this room. We've had a truly amazing time. It's been fantastic. Met 2 people last night in the bar.
We met a lot of people in that crazy bar.
Emily, Emma,
I'm gonna see
Emma
this,
and
Emma.
Josh. They were crazy. That was a good night, wasn't it?
We're having an early night. We're not staying out till late. Last one's there.
I think I'm a full member of the pool team now. Let me to sign up for everything.
Magic Bill. You can do things on the pool tube that nobody else can.